everyone, Scott Holmes here again at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm aboard the 2021 Bennington 23 SSBXP. This is a 23-foot boat with the swingback style seat and the premium edition, which gets you an extra few options on this boat. This is a tri-tune with the SPS performance package, powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower V6 motor and power assist steering. Really a fun boat to drive and gets you down the water really well. Really classic colors again on this boat too. It has the ocean blue paneling color with the silver syntex upholstery and carbon accent and silver tinted woven vinyl floor. Once you come on inside the boat, I'll give you a better look. As with most of our boats, we did choose to do the pillow top upholstery option on this, which gets you the nice diamond pressed inlay seat. Has the 20% cutout for the cup holders and the speakers. Another great place to throw your sunglasses or sunscreen down there in that little well as well. This boat does have the two full forward chase lounger seats with lounger backs and radius bow seating. Has a nice L-shaped bench back here with the bending top open, gives you a lot of shade from the sun to help extend your boating day. And when you're ready to rear face or lounge, when everybody's swimming off the back of the boat, you can simply grab this lean back seat and switch it inwards. Gives you that nice swing back style rear lounger seat. This boat does have the extended aft deck as well, so plenty of room to be jumping off the boat, swimming, and it's got the curved boarding ladder, which makes it a breeze getting in and out of this boat from the water as well. The premium edition does allow us to add the elevated console on this. And again, we've got full instrumentation, a nice comfortable throttle position, a Bluetooth kicker stereo, and a Garmin depth graph on this model. And as with all of our Benningtons, it comes loaded with standard features that we're really excited to tell you about, so be sure to come by the dealership to take a look or give us a call at 864-236-9005.